Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our super low mileage Alfa Romeo GT. So this is our 57 plate Alfa Romeo GT. It's a 1.9 diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's had 3 previous owners, and whilst in our care, we've given it a fresh MOT, full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, along with a full service, changed the cam belt, done the water pump, new glow plugs, changed the EGR valve. We've done quite a lot to get up to a really good standard. We've also had the alloys refurbished in dark anthracite grey. And they look really good. Really complements the slightly charcoal black paintwork. Tyres are all in really good condition. There is obviously a little bit of wear and tear on the car, being a 57 plate, but it's nothing awful, especially for the age of the car. Odd little stone chip, but really nothing major. Inside you've got these lovely comfortable leather seats. Got a nice sporty sort of feel to them as well. AM/FM radio, cruise control, steering wheel controls, air conditioning. It's quite well equipped inside. All in all, a really nice motor. Super tidy, super low mileage at just under 59,000 miles. Looks really clean. Really lovely motor. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.